share. Hello there! Almost all of us are citizens of the online world, and the internet is the system that runs this world. The internet is so powerful. Indeed, anything can go viral in a blink of an eye. Whatever we say, post, or share, whether positive or negative, can immediately spread all over the online world before we even know it. But it is us who run the system. So we also are the ones who are fully in control of it. It's like... Hi dear! What is it today? Planning to update status? I just want to remind you.
Use the power of the internet to spread positivity. You can also stop the spread of harmful and untrue messages actually. By not passing them on to others, well, that's easy. And respect each other's differences, that's RESPECT.
Respect? Well. What do we have here? Thinking of something to post? Ooh, remember that one who called you loser, fat, and ugly? You can't let him get away with it. Go ahead and bring him on social media. Dear, ask yourself first, what will be the consequences? Will it result to something good? Nuh-uh, I don't think so. However, if you get mean and bullying comments, unfollow or block them, and also those with inappropriate behaviors. Make an effort to provide support to those being bullied to lift their morale and confidence. And kids, don't ever hesitate to speak up against and report online bullying. Now, to whom will we listen to? Aha! I think I know what to post. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Hashtag be internet kind. Hashtag it's cool to be kind. Share. How would you like to be treated? Simple as the golden rule says, treat others as you would like to be treated. Respect and expect to be respected. After all, what we give is what we get. So let's choose to be kind. Be internet kind. It's cool to be kind.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Hello everyone! Diyos marhainal daw po. Mathletes from all over the Philippines. Are you ready? So welcome to our ETUlay online tutorial, kung saan ay ating itutulay ang pagkatuto ng bawat batang Pilipino sa Mathematics 10. Once again, I'm Tutor Ruel, your math coach in Math 10. So mathletes, handa na bang matuto ng new math lesson? Are you ready to unlock another challenging activities? Alam kong ready na kayo? So join me for another journey this afternoon. So again, every Friday from 3:40 to 4:20 p.m. is our Matalino Day Friday in Mathematics 10. So once again, I'm Tutor Roel from SDO Camarines Sur with Tutor Abhil from SDO Bataan. So binabati ko po lahat ng teachers and athletes from Camarines Sur and also from the rest of the country. Hello, especially to my students from Ocampo National High School. Also our new principal, Ma'am Eva Malanyaon. Hello po, ma'am. Okay, so for this week, we have quarter one, week 6. Our lesson is about division of polynomials. Tapos pa lang po tayo about sequences and patterns. So this time, another chapter, another lesson. Are you ready to learn? Okay, so mathletes, last time or last week, we had the math challenge of the week. Nasagutan niyo po ba yon? So the math challenge of the week was Rainiel purchased a car for approximately 550,000 pesos. The value of the car depreciates at a rate of 15% annually. What will be its value after 5 years? So the answer for that question is the value of Rainiel's car after 5 years will be 287,100 pesos. Okay, so, and now our mathlete of the week is no other than mathlete Gerald Escoltivo of Ocampo National High School, SDO Camarines Sur. With his math teacher, yours truly, Ruel S. Viñas. So, hello po sa lahat ng mathletes from Ocampo National High School. So, batiin muna natin. Hello kay Kylie Eliza, kay John Daniel, Precious Mau, kay, okay, also, we have Jillian Dingle. Okay, hello po sa inyo, mathletes. Now, another challenge will be given at the end of our tutorial. So, alam ko kayang-kaya yung sagutan. By the way, we would like to acknowledge Regional Office 5 Bicol, SDO Camsur, and SDO Bataan. So, yung modules coming mula sa kanila ang naging nating reference for our tutorial this afternoon. Okay. So, here are our learning competencies. Meron tayong dalawa na dapat ma-attain on our tutorial this session. So, ano yun? So, we have perform division of polynomials using long division and synthetic division. And also, number 2, prove the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Also, there will be problems to be solved using this. So, tingin nyo, kaya ba natin ma-attain? Kaya, kakayanin. Okay, matibay, di ba? Pag sinabing mathletes, matibay or magaling sa math. As long as we will try to answer every problem. Okay? So, hello kay Francine Liam, Michelle Saltarin Roa, and Xavier Lay De Leon. Hello sa inyo. Okay, now, our lesson for this afternoon is about the division of polynomials. So, alam ko, you're already familiar with polynomials. So what do you mean by polynomial? So pag sinabing polynomial, a polynomial expression or P of x is an expression written in the form of a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 times x raised to n minus 2 up to a sub 0, wherein ang a sub n must not be equal to 0. Ang a sub n na yan, that is the coefficient. Hindi daw pwede maging 0 si numerical coefficient. Now, where the positive non-negative integer n is called the degree of polynomial. So ang n, that is simply the exponent or the degree. We have first degree, second degree, third degree, and so on. And ang coefficient naman, yung a sub 0, a sub 1, up to a sub n. Yung katabi ni x, yung letter a. It can be any real number. Okay po? So, ito yung example ng polynomials para may idea agad kayo. So, example ng polynomials. We have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Pwede namang x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x plus 7. It is an example of a polynomial. Or, we have x plus 4. So, yung una, trinomial, Yung ikalawa, anong tawag niyan? So, can also referred as polynomial. Yung last is a binomial. So, ikalawa, it can be a multinomial. Ano naman yung example ng non-polynomials? O ano na-observe nyo? Bakit siya hindi polynomial? So, mathletes, what do you think? Bakit yung 3x raised to negative 2 plus 7 is not an example of a polynomial? Sige nga, bakit? Good afternoon po, Riza May Carpio, watching, listening from Doña Magdalena Gafford High School. Hello po. So yung first example under non-polynomial, hindi siya polynomial kasi we have a negative exponent. So tama si Rainiel, may negative exponent po kasi very good. Same with Ina Isabella. How about this one? Bakit po siya hindi polynomial? We have 5 square root of x minus 6. So bakit ito ay hindi polynomial? Mathletes, what do you think? Ano kaya yung reason bakit hindi siya polynomial? Okay, for the second one, hindi siya polynomial kasi we have a variable sa radical sign. O kaya naman, yung magiging exponent ni x is a fraction, which is 1/2. So very good, Ina Isabella, may radical sign po kasi. Okay, very good. And last one, eto naman, bakit hindi po siya polynomial? We have 2x minus 3 over x. Hindi siya polynomial kasi may variable sa denominator. Okay, ganun lang naman kasimple. So let's move forward. So divide the following and write an equivalent equation by the following given example. So kailangan po natin itong, kasi magiging guide ito as we go on with our tutorial session. Okay po? So we have 19 divided by 5. Kapag si 19, dinivide natin by 5, ang sagot will be 3. May tatlong 5 sa 19 plus may sobrang 4. Yung denominator ni 4 ay 5. Yung 5 is the divisor. Or pwede naman na si 19 is equal to 3 na quotient times 5 na divisor. 3 times 5, that is 15. Plus 4, kaya naging 19. So, equal pa rin sila. So, question, can you write an equivalent equation for number 1? What do you think, Natalie? Kaya ba? This tutorial session, medyo marami tayong pag-uusapan. We have long division, synthetic division, remainder theorem, and factor theorem. Pero kakayanin natin yan. Isa-isayin po natin. Okay? So, for number 1, 29 divided by 5. Sa 29 po, may ilang 5 meron? That is, may 5. May remainder na 4 over the divisor, which is 5. O kaya naman, pwede natin itong isulat as this one. 29 is equal to the quotient na 5 times the divisor na 5 plus 4. 5 times 5, that is 25. Plus 4, 29. Equal pa rin sila. So tama si Ina Isabella. Very good po. Hello, Philip Ray Mansira, watching from Quirino National High School. Wow, hello po. Now, how about number 2? Sige nga, try nyo nga yun, athlete. We have 34 divided by 7. Again, 34 divided by 7. For number 2, by the way, prepare your pen and paper and also calculator para medyo madaling solution natin. You may also take down notes. Okay, for number 2, sa 34, may ilang 7? We have 4. 4 times 7, 28. Ngayon, ilan yung remainder? That is 6. Ang denominator natin ay 7, which is also the divisor ni 34. Okay, or also, 34 is equal to 4 times 7 plus 6. Either of the two is correct. Tama si Hanilyn Tolentino, very good. And Ina Isabella. So, very good sa inyo. So, this one, kailangan natin ito as we go on with our session. So, eto na. Pag-uusapan natin ay about sa long division and synthetic division. Mathletes, marunong ba kayo mag-divide? Alam po magaling kayo mag-divide. So, let's proceed. Let us divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5. Now, kung titingnan nyo, parang mahirap yung problem, di ba? Yung example. Ang gagawin lang natin dito is gagamit tayo ng long division o yung process para lang tayong nag-divide ng whole numbers. Okay, ito yung step. Papakita ko sa inyo. Una, isulat natin si dividend. That is 2x squared plus 5x minus 23. Tapos may division symbol. Ang nasa labas is the divisor. Ano yung divisor? That is x plus 5. Hello, marami nanonood sa atin ngayon. From Ramon National High School, we have Mara Abungan. We also have Juan Marcel Mina watching from Quirino National High School. Hello po. O now, look at the given example or solution. Anong sunod? Ngayon magdi-divide tayo. The first thing to do, titingnan mo po yung first term ni dividend, which is 2x squared. I-divide natin yan by the first term ni divisor, which is x. Ulitin natin. I-divide po natin si 2x squared at si x. O ngayon, marunong bang divide? Alam ko, marunong. What if magdi-divide tayo ng variable at may exponent? Since pareho sila ng variable, yung exponent yung puproblemahin natin. Pag magdi-divide tayo ng may exponent, anong gagawin sa exponent? Alam ko, tandaan niyo yan. Ang gagawin lang natin sa exponent ay isu-subtract. Ngayon, we have 2x squared, 2 yung exponent. Yung x, ang exponent niya is 1. Kaya magiging 2 minus 1, magiging 1 yung exponent. So, x raised to 1 or x. How about yung coefficient? 2x squared divide x, magiging siyang 2x. Ulitin natin. 2 divide 1, 2. X squared divide x is x. Pinagsama, that is 2x. Nakapag-divide na tayo. What is next? Tama si Ina Isabella, 2x, very good po. Isusubtract natin, sabi ni Angel, okay, very good. O ngayon, yung sunod na tanong, na-divide na natin. What is next? After i-divide, we will multiply. Yung sagot, i-multiply natin kay divisor. Okay. Tingin dito, we have 2x times x. O, ulitin natin. Pag magmumultiply naman ng may variable, ano gagawin natin sa exponent? Since pareho sila x, ano gagawin sa exponent? Under multiplication, we will add. Pag division, subtract. Pag multiplication, we will add exponent. Huwag po yung kakalimutan, mathletes. Okay, now 2x times x. 2 times 1 is 2. X times x is x squared. Okay, now, natapos na natin yung kay x. Sunod, kay 5 naman. 2x times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Copy x. So, ganun lang kasimple. Now, sunod, we will subtract. So, parang nag-divide lang tayo ng whole numbers. Okay po? Dito, step by step natin ginagawa. O, ang dami nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Very good, mathletes. Now, we will subtract 2x squared minus 2x squared. Oh, by the way, since magsusubtract tayo, papalitan natin yung sign ng subtrahend. Si positive 2x squared magiging negative. Si positive 10x magiging negative. Then proceed sa addition. So in short, 2x squared minus 2x squared, 0. 5x minus 10x, it will be negative 5x. Ulitin natin, si positive 10 naging negative 10. 5 minus 10, negative 5. Okay, copy x. O, tapos na. What is next? We will bring down negative 23. Bring down negative 23. O, sunod, uulitin lang natin yung process. So, si negative 5x, i-divide natin by x. So, since pareho sila x, pareho 1, mawawala na yung variable. Matitira na lang si negative 5. So, negative 5x divided by x will be negative 5. Pagka-divide, ano nga yung sunod na gagawin? Multiply. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 5, negative 25. O, ganun lang kasimple, di ba? Sobrang dali lang po. Okay, i-multiply, sabi ni Ina Isabella, very good po. Now, after i-multiply, we will subtract. Ulitin natin, pag magsusubtract po, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. Si negative 5x magiging positive, si negative 25 magiging positive 25. Then proceed sa addition. Okay, now, so negative 5x plus 5x magiging 0 po siya. Negative 23 plus 25 magiging na lang positive 2. Okay, now, so tapos na po. So, wala na tayong i-bring down. So, that's it for the solution. Now, let's identify kung ano yung mga tawag sa given expression na yan. Yung nasa loob ng division symbol, yung tinatawag na dividend. Okay po? Or P of X. Ang tawag naman kay X plus 5, that is the divisor. Yung nasa baba. Ang tawag naman sa sagot na 2x minus 5, that is the quotient or Q of X. While yung 2, anong tawag kay 2? Sige nga, Matlit, anong tawag sa 2? That is what we call, okay, remainder or R of X. Very good, Rainiel. Remainder po yung 2. Wow, ang gagaling. Now, it can also present this way. Tama rin si Ina Isabella, remainder po. Okay. Now, it can also be presented this way. So we have the dividend, yung naka-red, 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 over the divisor, which is x plus 5. Now, yung 2x minus 5, that is the quotient, plus 2, which is the remainder, over x plus 5 na divisor. Para yung ginawa natin kanina, dun sa mga numbers lang po. Ito yung presentation ng solution. Or, it can be this way. May isa pang way. Diba, dalawa yon? So, it can be the dividend is equal to the quotient times the divisor plus the remainder na 2. So, later on, we will present examples para mas lalong maintindihan kung paano siya naisulat po dyan. Okay? So, let's have this one. In general, if P of X and D of X are polynomials, with D of X not equal to 0, by the way, yung P of X natin, yan yung dividend or numerator. While D of X, yan yung divisor or yung denominator. Ngayon sabi, D of X must not be equal to 0. So, hindi siya pwede maging 0 kasi magiging undefined. Okay po? So, we can write this one. Ito na nga yung given equation, where R of X is either 0 or its degree is less than the degree of D of X. Ang remainder, pwede maging 0 or pwedeng less than the degree of the divisor. Halimbawa, ang divisor natin second degree. Ang remainder natin, pwede maging first degree or maging 0 or constant. Okay po? Or 0 degree. So, kapag 0 naman yung remainder, ibig sabihin walang remainder, we can say that D of X is a factor of P of X. So, we can say that D of X is a factor of P of X. Walang remainder po yan. So, hello Kylie Eliza, watching from Quirino National High School. Hello po. Hello Jonard Paulite, watching here from Ocampo National High School. Okay. This one is division of polynomials. Okay, para mas lalong maintindihan, let's have another example gamit yung long division. Okay po? So, you may prepare your pen and paper para sabayan niyo ako sa pag-solve. So, eto long division tayo. Oh, bago yon, reminder para mas madali, ito yung simple steps. We have divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor and put that in the answer part. Divide after divide, multiply. I-multiply yung answer sa divisor. Tapos ilalagay naman yung sa baba ni dividend. After nyan, ima-minus na natin. Then ulitin lang yung process hanggang maubos, i-bring down yung nasa dividend. Okay po? So let's have another example. Ito, mathletes, madali lang ito. So we have x cubed plus 2x minus 4x squared minus 3 by x plus 2. Oh, by the way, as you notice, yung dividend natin, hindi naka-arrange yung terms. Okay po? So kapag hindi naka-arrange yung terms according to degree or power, dapat i-arrange muna natin bago tayo mag-divide. O now, alin dyan yung uunahin natin isusulat? That is x cubed. Ano yung sunod? Negative 4x squared. After nyan, what is next? It's 2x. And last is negative 3. Na-arrange natin, then we may perform the long division process. Okay po? So to be divided by x plus 2. So again, in-arrange muna natin, then saka tayo magdi-divide by x plus 2. Okay, yung step, magdi-divide tayo. First term by first term. It will be x cubed divided by x. 3 minus 1, magiging 2. That will be x squared. Okay po? So, 3 minus 1 will be 2. Kaya naging siyang x squared. 2 na lang yung exponent po niya. Now, tapos na natin i-divide. After divide, sabi nga, multiply. So, x squared times x, that is x cubed. Next, x squared times 2, 2x squared. Okay, what is next? We will subtract. Pag magsusubtract, yung sign ni subtrahend papalitan. So, magiging siyang x cubed minus x cubed, 0. Ika-cancel si x cubed. Negative 4x squared minus 2x squared. Since pareho na sila negative, magiging na siyang negative 6x squared. Okay po? Si 2x squared naging negative. Negative 4 minus 2, negative 6. Now, ano yung sunod? We will bring down. Sino yung i-bring down natin? That is 2x plus 2x. So si Hananika Donaire Payo, may sagot agad. Oh, very good. Tingnan nga natin kung tama yung sagot. Okay, now same process. First term to be divided by the first term, the divisor. Negative 6x squared divided by x. So babawasan natin ng isa yung power. 2 minus 1, magiging na lang 1 or x. It will be negative 6x. After i-divide, multiply tayo. So negative 6x times x, negative 6x squared. X times x, ipa-plus yung exponent. 1 plus 1, kaya naging x squared. X raised to 2. Tapos na tayo kay negative 6x squared. Sunod naman, negative 6x times 2. It will be negative 12x. Sunod, subtract. Papalitan yung sign. So, makakancel si negative 6x squared. Bakit naging 14x? Kasi 2x minus negative 12 magiging 2x plus 12x. Kaya positive 14. Sunod tayo, bring down negative 3. Ulitin lang natin yung process. 14x divide x, positive 14 times x, 14x. 14 times 2, 28. Then, subtract. Negative 3 minus 28, negative 31. Okay? Now, ang answer naman, ang quotient natin will be, isusulat lang natin yung x squared minus 6x plus 14 plus the remainder na negative 31 over the divisor na x plus 2. So again, ang sagot ay x squared minus 6x plus 14 plus negative 31 over x plus 2. Pwede namang instead na plus, mag-iitong minus 31 over x plus 2. So either of the two is correct. O ngayon, so tingin ko medyo nahihirapan kayo. Kung medyo mahirap sa inyo yung long division, there is a shorter way when a polynomial is to divided by a binomial of the form x minus r. Sa ibang reference, it is x minus c or x minus a. Pareho lang po yun. This method is called synthetic division. So in this procedure, we write only the coefficients. Now, again, kung nahirapan kayo sa long division, ito yung alternative way pag magdi-divide ng polynomial. So are you ready, Matlit? Alam kong ready na. Dito, reminder, we will write only the coefficient. Ang coefficient that, or tinatawag natin numerical coefficient, yung number na katabi ni x. Okay po? Okay, example. Use synthetic division to p of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5. So reminder, ang unang gagawin, isusulat yung numerical coefficient. Pero dapat naka-arrange na siya in descending order. Kung titignan natin yung exponent, naka-arrange naman. From square to 1 to 0. Ibig sabihin, walang x. So, okay na yan. Isusulat na natin yung number. Kay 2x squared, ang number ay 2. Kay 5x, ang coefficient, 5. Copy si negative 23. That is for the first row. Also, ilalagay po natin yung divisor. Kaya lang, so dito ang ilalagay natin is value ni r. Sa ibang reference, c. Since that is x minus r, ang divisor natin is x plus 5, so kukunin natin yung opposite ni 5. That will be negative 5. Kapag x minus 5 naman siya, magiging na siyang positive 5. Okay, yung opposite po. Since x plus 5 siya, yung opposite will be negative 5. Yan yung gagamitin natin. Now, nasulat na natin. What is next? Pay attention. Ang gagawin, ibababa natin si 2. Pag nababa na si 2, ang sunod na gagawin, imumultiply natin si 2 at si negative 5. Ulitin natin, ibababa si 2, bring down 2. After that, multiply 2 and negative 5. 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10. Now, kapag na-multiply na, i-combine o kukunin yung sum. That is 5 plus negative 10 or simply 5 minus 10. Mathletes, 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 is negative 5. Ngayon, si negative 5 naman, yung imumultiply natin kay negative 5. So tama si Rainiel and Ina, very good po. And Hanilyn, imumultiply naman natin si negative 5 kay negative 5. So negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. Tapos combine. Negative 23 plus 25, that will be positive 2. Ngayon, paano na siya isulat? So, since ang dividend natin is 2x squared, nasa second degree, ang magiging quotient niya, babawasan mo lang ng isang degree. So, from 2x squared, magiging x na lang. Okay, so from x squared, magiging x na lang. Kokopyahin mo lang si 2, write x. Tapos, anong sunod kay x? So, constant, which is minus 5. Ngayon, si 2, that will be the remainder. So, plus 2 over x plus 5. So, ulitin natin. So, we have the dividend na 2x squared plus 5x minus 23. Ang magiging quotient niya from second degree to first degree. Kaya magiging na siyang 2x minus 5. Yung 2, that is the remainder. So, magiging plus 2 over x plus 5. Very good. Rainiel, Precious, and Aljun, and Mary Jane. Wow, ang gagaling. Now, let's try another example. Di ba sobrang dali lang yung synthetic division? Sinulat lang natin yung coefficient. Okay, let's try another one. So, for this one, kung makikita nyo, we have p of x equals 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8 to be divided by x plus 2. Now, anong na-observe nyo sa exponents, sa degree? Kompleto po ba yung degree dito kay 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8 or may kulang? So, may kulang na may variable x lang, yung x raised to 1 lang. Dahil dyan, pag kulang, i-fill natin siya by 0. Okay po? Pag kulang, kailangan punan. Okay? Now, ano yung numerical coefficient ni x cubed? 3x cubed. That is 3. Ano yung number? Yung coefficient ni 4x squared? That is 4. Since wala tayo dyan na x lang, maglalagay tayo ng 0. May kulang po. So, 0 yung ilalagay. Ano yung sunod kay x? Constant, which is plus 8. Now, mathletes, ano yung ilalagay sa left part, upper left? Since x plus 2 ito, kaya lang dapat naka-x minus r siya or x minus c, si positive 2 magiging negative 2. Okay po? Now, eto na. Ulitin natin. Yung sunod na step, bring down 3. Baba lang natin si 3. Ganun lang kasimple. After ibaba si 3, anong gagawin kay 3 at negative 2? multiply. So 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. Okay, very good, Precious, Kiana, Marcelina, and Mary Jane. Okay, now, pagkatapos i-multiply, anong gagawin kay 4 and negative 6? Combine. 4 minus 6, that is negative 2. Okay, ano yung sunod? So, very good, negative 6, Hananika and Marcelina. Okay, may sagot na si Rainiel. Tingnan nga natin kung tama yung sagot. So, negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Ano yung sunod? Combine. 0 plus 4, 4. Sunod, anong gagawin kay 4 and negative 2? Multiply. Very good. So, 4 times negative 2, negative 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? If 0 yung remainder, ibig sabihin sakto lang. So, ang x plus 2, factor siya ni p of x. Since walang remainder, ang quotient natin ay 3x squared. Oh, by the way, naging na lang x squared kasi from x cubed, magma-minus 1 tayo, magiging x squared na lang yung quotient. Okay po? So, it will be 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, hindi na tayo magpa-plus 0 over x plus 2. So, no need na yun kasi 0 lang naman po yun. So, madali lang ba? Alin po yung mas madali? Long division or synthetic division? So, mas madali yung synthetic division. So, remember, synthetic division only works in the case of dividing by a linear expression. So, kapag linear expression lang yung divisor, pero pag hindi na linear, like second degree na yung divisor, quadratic na, hindi pwede po yung synthetic division. Tapos, if the leading coefficient is not 1, then you must divide the term by the leading coefficient to learn the leading coefficient into 1. So, halimbawa, we have 2x minus 1. Pero dapat, yung katabi ni x, wala. 1 lang or wala. So, ano yung gagawin kay 2? I-divide both terms by 2. Kaya yung 2x minus 1, magiging na lang x minus 1 half. Pareho lang po sila. Same with 4x plus 5. Divide both terms by 4. 4x divide 4, x. 5 divide 4, 5 fourths. So it will be 5x plus 5 fourths. So ganun lang po. Okay. Sabi ni Precious and Julie May, mas madali yung synthetic division. Same with Marcelina. So it's up to you kung alin yung gagamitin sa pag-solve or sa pag-divide ng polynomials. Okay? Okay, sabi ni Prince Troy, arithmetic. O, di pa naka-move on si Prince Troy about sequences. Okay, this time, proceed naman tayo sa remainder theorem and factor theorem. So, mathletes, sa remainder theorem, if a polynomial is divided by x minus c, then the remainder r is a constant and is equal to p of c. So, ito yung proof. Hindi ko na ito masyadong patagalin kasi may example pa tayo. So, ito yung statement. We have the given polynomial. Now, from the given polynomial, substitute c for all values of x. Kaya naging siyang c minus c times q of c plus r. So, c minus c, that is 0. So, times q of c, magiging 0, kaya natira na lang si r. So, it means that p of c is equal to r. So, that is under remainder theorem. So, para mas lalong maintindihan, proceed tayo sa example. Okay po? So, ito yung example natin. We will find the remainder when 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x plus 6 is divided by x plus 3. Basta sabi dito, ang p of c is equal to r. Makukuha yung remainder by getting p of c. So, in short, isa-substitute yung c sa given function. Okay, ito tayo, using remainder theorem. Yan yung given. Ang sunod, we will substitute the value of c. From x plus 3, ang c dyan or r will be negative 3. From positive 3, yung opposite, magiging negative 3. Isa-substitute siya sa value of c. Marunong ba mag-substitute? Okay, you may use your pen and notes. sa pag-substitute or pag-compute, pwede niyo po ako at least sabayan, okay? Okay, now, magiging siyang 3 times negative 3 cube plus 4 times negative 3 square minus 5 times negative 3 plus 6. Ulitin ko, ang ginawa natin, nag-substitute lang po tayo. Now, after i-substitute, simplify or evaluate. Negative 3 cube, so negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, times negative 3, negative 27, times 3, that is negative 81. Yung sunod naman, 4 times negative 3 square, pag in-evaluate yan, magiging yan 36. Negative 5 times negative 3, magiging positive 15, plus 6. Sunod, pagsamahin na natin. So, negative 81 plus 36 plus 15 plus 6, ang sagot will be negative 24. And that will be our remainder. So, for this one, ang P of C or P of negative 3 is negative 24 and negative 24 is our remainder po. So, ganun lang kadali. Madali lang ba? So, as you can see, medyo madali yung solution. Pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator to check the solution. Okay po? Let's try another one. Oh, pwede nating i-check using synthetic division if you want. Okay, check nga natin. Dapat yung sagot, negative 24 din. Tingnan nga natin. So, ilalagay yung coefficient. Magiging 3, 4, negative 5, and 6. Ang ilalagay sa upper left ay negative 3. Sunod, bring down 3. Multiply 3 and negative 3, naging negative 9. Combine, magiging negative 5. Multiply, 15. Combine, 10. 10 times negative 3, negative 30. 6 negative 30, negative 24. So, pareho lang po, di ba? Pareho lang kung mag-substitute lang tayo or gagamit ng synthetic division. Okay, very good. Claren, Ina, Isabella. Let's have example number 2. Okay, how about this one? Find the remainder when x raised to 4 minus 10x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x plus 5 is divided by x minus 10. So, using remainder theorem, yan yung given. Substitute tayo. Naging ng 10 raised to 4 minus 10 times 10 cubed plus 2 times 10 square minus 8 times 10 plus 5. Kung titingnan nyo, parang mahaba yung solution, parang mahirap. Pero as you can see, nag-substitute lang po tayo. So, madali lang ito. Sunod, we will evaluate. 10 raised to 4. Since 4 siya, ibig sabihin, we will have 4 zeros. Magiging siyang 10,000. Minus 10 times 10 cubed, magiging negative 10,000. 10 times 10 is 100, times 2, 200. Very good, Ina. Next, negative 8 times 10, negative 80. Plus 5. Now, simplify. Ang P of 10 natin, or P of 10 ay magiging 125. So, hello Nicole Nagrapa, watching from Ocampo National High School. Hello po sa mga estudyante ko, 10B, 10K, 10I students. Okay, pwede natin i-check ulit gamit ang synthetic division. So, yan siya. Nilagay natin yung coefficient. Yung nasa upper left, positive 10. From negative 10, yung opposite, positive 10. So, ulitin lang yung process. Bring down 1, multiply, combine, then multiply 0 times 10, which is 0. Combine, 2 plus 0 is 2. Multiply, 2 times 10 is 20. Combine, negative 820 is 12. Multiply, 12 times 10 is 120. And last one, combine, 5 plus 120 is 125. O, diba? Pareho lang po yung remainder kahit gumamit tayo ng synthetic division. Madali lang po ba? Okay. Remember, under remainder theorem, When we divide a polynomial, p of x by x minus c, the remainder is p of c. After i-evaluate, yung constant na sagot, that is the remainder. So, to find the remainder in dividing by x minus c, no need to do any division. Kahit huwag na kayong gumamit ng long division or synthetic division. Just calculate p of c or mag-substitute lang po. Pero still, it's up to you kung saan po sa inyo mas madaling gawin. Kung synthetic, so be it. Okay po? Kung saan kayo komportable, dun po kayo. Huwag kayo dun sa nahihirapan lang kayo. Tama ba? Okay. Now, last one. Factor theorem tayo. Ito na. The polynomial p of x has x minus c as a factor if and only if p of c is equal to 0. Ito yung proof niya. So, as you can see, nag-arrive tayo sa p of z is equal to 0. Now, kapag ang remainder 0, ibig sabihin, yung x minus c is a factor of that given polynomial, of that given p of x. So, hindi na natin iisa-isahin kasi medyo kulang tayo sa time. Proceed tayo sa example. Ipapakita natin kapag ang remainder 0, obviously, that x minus c will be the factor of that given p of x. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, we have this example. Find out if x minus 4 is a factor of each polynomial. Athletes, we have two. Factor ba si x minus 4 ni A or ni B or both? Tingnan natin. Unahin natin si A. Sulat, we have p of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. After isulat yung given, magsa-substitute tayo. Okay? Magiging ang p of 4. Positive 4 kasi from negative 4 yung opposite, magiging 4. Our C or R is positive 4. Tapos, sinubstitute yung value niya kay X. After nyan, simplify. What is 4 cubed? 64. 4 squared, 16 times negative 2, negative 32. Negative 11 times 4, negative 44. Plus 12. Now, ano yung sunod? Simplify na natin. 64 minus 32 minus 44 plus 12. Pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. Pero pwede namang hindi. O ngayon, since addition and subtraction nung nandyan, we will do this one from left to right. Pero, pwede namang i-add natin, i-recombine natin lahat ng positive, then combine lahat ng negative, tapos saka natin i-combine yung dalawang sagot. Pwede naman po yun. Okay? Now, kapag gagamit yung calculator, so P of 4 is 0. Very good, Hanilyn, Rainiel, and Ina. So, our remainder is 0. Kapag ang remainder ay 0, therefore, we can say that x minus 4 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Okay? Yes po, sir. Factor niya po yung letter A. Very good, Julie May de la Cruz rule. And also, Kiana, Claren, Nicole, and John Carl. Very good po. Now, how about letter B? Factor pa ba kaya ni si x minus 4 ni letter B? Tingnan natin. Okay, sulat yung given. Substitute. Okay. Ngayon, evaluate tayo. 4 cubed, that is 64 times 2, 128. 4 squared, 16. Negative 2 times 4, negative 8. Minus 15. Okay, may sagot agad si Jonard Paulite and Julie May. 0 daw. Oh, ang bilis makasolve. Tingnan nga natin. 128 plus 16 is 144. 144 minus 8 is 136. 136 minus 15 is 121. So, very good si Hanilyn Tolentino. P sub 4 is 121, not a factor po. Okay, yung iba para nagtsamba. Okay. So, P of 4 natin is 121. What does it mean? Since may remainder tayo, we can say that x minus 4 is not a factor of 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 15. Okay, very good. Jasmine, Marcelina, Julie May, and Kiana, Reniel, and John Carl. Very good po. Nakuha nila is 121. Okay. Oh, that is for factor theorem. Oh, now, mathletes, are you ready to take the quick check challenge? Mayroon tayong 3-item quick check challenge. Ready ba? Alam kong ready kasi every one of you is matibay. Okay. So, eto na. Choose the letter of the correct answer. 3 items lang po ito. You may prepare a pen and paper para mag-solve. Okay. Ready na sila? Tingnan nga natin. What is the quotient when x squared minus 14x plus 49 is divided by x minus 7? So, pwedeng gumamit ng long division or synthetic division. A, x plus 7. B, x minus 49. C, x minus 7. Or D, x plus 4. Again, pwede kayong gumamit ng synthetic division. Sa synthetic, coefficient lang po yung isusulat. Sige nga, maghihintay ako ng sagot. Si Renyo may sagot na C. Si Aljun, B. Okay. How about yung iba? Si Hanilyn, C. Frances Abby, C. Oh, very good. Si Haninika, C. Yung iba, working on their solution. So, okay lang po yan. Very good. Julie May, C. Tingnan nga natin. The answer for number 1 is letter C. Okay, very good. Also, Joanna Lu, John Carl, Edgeline, and Marcelina, C. Rayan, C. Okay, very good, mathletes. Galing. Same with John Carl. Let's try number 2. How about number 2? If P of x is divided by D of x and the remainder is 0, then what is D of x with respect to P of x? Kapag dinivide daw si P of x by D of x at ang remainder 0, ano mangyayari kay D of x? Or what can you say about D of x? Is D of x a multiple of P of x? Or D of x is a factor of P of x? Or P of x is a multiple of D of x? Or D, P of x and D of x are constant. Again, kapag ang remainder 0, anong tawag kay D of x with respect kay P of x? Sabi ni Ina, letter B. Precious B, Aljun A, Hannah B, Claren B. Okay, tingnan niya natin. Kapag ang remainder 0, si D of x or divisor ay matatawag natin factor of P of x. Okay, very good. Jasmine, John Carl, and Nina. And also Kiana, Rhea. Very good. Ang daming nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Very good. And last one. How about this one? What is the remainder when P of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 9 is divided by x minus 1? Is it A, P of 1 is equal to negative 9? B, P of 1 is equal to negative 3? C, P of 1 is 0? Or D, P of 1 or the remainder is 3? Again, sa pagkuha ng remainder, pwedeng synthetic or gagamit kayo ng substitution or the remainder theorem. So again, mas madali kapag magsa-substitute na lang kayo. Ang isa-substitute nyo will be 1. Si x, papalitan nyo lang ng 1 and then evaluate or simplify. So mathletes, what do you think? Okay, may mga sagot na. Si Ina, A. Precious, D. Francis, D. Nicole and Jasmine, sabi letter D. Same with Rainier. Tingnan nga natin. Mathletes, the correct answer for number 3 is letter B, negative 3. Baka ang ginamit nyo po kasi is negative 1. Okay lang yan. Ang sagot ay negative 3 kasi isa-substitute na lang natin by 1. Magiging siyang 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Okay, sabi ni Alexander, mas pogi po si tutorial pag may bigote. Wow. Sige, ibabalik natin ito. So, the following weeks, balik na lang po yon. Okay, dahil dyan, plus 10. Okay, biro lang po. Okay, now, nakailan kayo athletes? From 1 to 3, ilan po yung nakuha nyo? Sige nga, okay lang kung naka 1 or 2, yung naka 3, 2, very good po. So next time, alam ko, mas makukuha nyo pa ito. Okay, and now, for our math challenge of the week, sobrang dali lang po nito. Gerald traveled a distance of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 kilometers at a rate of x plus 3, kph or kilometers per hour. Write a polynomial that represents the number of hours he traveled. Okay, so this one, magdi-divide lang po kayo dito. You will simply divide x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 by x plus 3. Tingnan ko nga kung makukuha niyo ito. Don't forget to, kapag magpo-post, to include hashtag math10challenge, hashtag tutorwell, hashtag tutoravil, and also include hashtag tutorking. Next week, makakasama natin si Tutor King po sa ating ETUlay tutorial. Ito na yung 6th week math challenge of the week natin. Okay, again, next week, makakasama natin si Tutor King, and also we are looking forward for that one. Hello po, Tutor King, who is also watching with us this afternoon. Also, don't forget to watch Business Math Learn and Chill with Sir Ab Hill. And we also have our math tutors in junior high school. So once again, I'm Tutor Roel, your math coach in Math 10. Hello po to all the teachers and mathletes from Division of Camarines Sur and from all over the Philippines po. So salamat for watching and joining us this afternoon. See you next week. Goodbye po.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo yung tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!